Good morning from Gili T. Today we are going to go on a little bit of an adventure. I'm gonna head out, grab the bike, and then what was it called again? I think it was like a underwater scooter thing. Anyways, there's basically a bunch of old scooters, probably decommissioned, that they don't use anymore, and they put them under the ocean. So now there's like corals, there's like fish, there's like all sorts of like sea life that grew on it. And then you can actually just go from the port or the beach and then swim towards it. So that's what we're gonna do today. Well, this morning, anyways. And if we have time, which I probably do, we can go bike towards Turtle Point. Yeah, it's like the north of this island, and then I hope I can see turtles. But we'll see. It depends on the time, because I have a lot of things booked today. Anyways, let's go out. I'm gonna wear the trusty old sunglasses. There you go. Make sure the lights are off. Oh, there's one more light here. I'll make sure our wow, okay. That's actually very dark now. Alright. Anyways, gotta make sure that whoa. No, come back here. Alright. Alright, perfect. It is locked. Alright, let's go. As you can see, this is morning in Aston. A lot of workers are cleaning up the leaves that fell down last night. As you can see over there. Over there as well. Let's see. It's 8 o'clock right now. Back at the lobby. Morning. Salamat pagi. Alright. So the outside of the hotel, there's a bunch of bikes. But with Aston, they actually don't own this bikes here. It's like a third party, which is like over here, right here. This one, diving. I know it says diving, but it's actually a bike rental. Anyways, this is our bike, number 7. All right, let's grab our bike. Then we'll head on to Santorini, where my friends are, because that's where they are. Let me double check my messages. Hello? Oh, I'm on the way. Alright, I think he fell asleep. Anyways, let's go. Wow. So, if you guys have seen on the last, well, I don't know how many videos it's gonna be, but the Kalinking hike, it still hurts my quads. Even now, just biking hurts a lot. So I gotta, every time I pedal, I gotta kind of move my body with my quads, because just using my legs, it just hurts essentially. So, but look at it looks cloudy today. I don't know. I thought it would be sunny. It makes sense though. September, I don't think September is like a really sunny weather for Gili T. I don't think it's their summer, the height of summer. I don't think so. That's very nice. People jogging. Maybe I should do that. Should do that sometime. Anyways, and I don't know if you can see on the GoPro, but the state of the road is just so bad, which I don't get, because they get so much money from tourists here. At least they could do is fix the road. But maybe the materials cost is very expensive, because they'll have to like rent not just like a ferry, but like one of those big boats maybe. And yeah, because only ferries come here. So yeah, they probably have to rent like one of those big boats. Look at the horse there. Yeah, they probably have to rent like one of those big boats that can carry construction materials. And not only that, manpower, and then you know, the equipment. Yeah, it could get really expensive real fast. That's why the state of the road is like this. So anyways, I think we're halfway through. You know what, I'm gonna keep recording. I'll show you guys my friend's hotel. It's actually a very nice place. It's called Santorini Hotel, and heading there, meet up with my boy. Look at the ocean. Look at the ocean, guys. If the sun would come out right now, the ocean would be, you know, blue, man. It would be like glowing. So anyways, let's keep biking. Whoa, okay. Gotta stay on the left of the road, because unlike in Canada, people here stay on the left of the road. They don't stay on the right. Whew. Wow. So oh, okay. Oh, there it is. Santo Resto and Bar. I guess this is their bar area. It's something. Oh, there's gonna be a horse behind me. Look at that. Oh, there goes the horse. Anyways, we're gonna turn here. As you can see, Santorini. Yeah, very nice entrance. Look at this. And of course, like the one in Aston, there's someone sweeping the leaves. Whoa, that's a crab. You guys see that? Right there, on the ground. There's a crab. I almost hit it. Almost hit the crab, guys. Alright, continue with the view here. Salamat pagi. Alright. Oh, look at this place. Very nice, ain't it? I hear a horse behind me. It's probably someone who ordered it, because they returned the bike. Yeah, they returned the bike, and the walk to the port is kind of far, so they would rent these horse-drawn carriages. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're here. I'll look for my boy, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, welcome back. So, a little bit of an issue here. the plan for the scooter. He's gone now. Here's my boys right here behind me. So apparently if you want to go to the diving spot for the scooters, the local told us that you need to book that for safety reasons, because you're diving down, and if you went by yourself, well, no one will know that you went there. So it makes sense, and we didn't really book it, and it was kind of annoying to do that. So we decided to, or he suggested, the local from Santorini, it's what a guy, he said, oh, you guys can go to like the turtle point, you know, look for some turtles. And well, that's exactly where we are right now. The waves are a little bit strong, but I think once you're on the ocean, you won't really feel it. But there you go. So we're gonna go, and I hope I find some turtles, guys. Let me just already put on the sunscreen, so now I just need one sec. Put on this thing. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Alright, off we go. Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, it's cold! Oh! Oh my god! It's cold, man! Woo! Woo! Okay. Oh. 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 All right, let's go. Oh, it's cold. fish. Look at fish. We're gonna check it out. Alright guys, we've seen the turtle, we've seen the fish. Now we're gonna go back to the shore and fly some drone. See you in a bit. Hello and welcome back. Well, as you can see, I'm back at my hotel room. Yeah, it was actually a fun experience. Seeing the turtle up close. Yeah, that was just that was amazing. I thought the turtle would be like smaller, but then when I was like swimming, I felt something slimy on my feet. I was like, oh wow, there is right there, and he's just eating like the small grass thing. I don't know what they're called on like the ocean floor. The unfortunate thing is that because it's kind of like in the shallow areas, every time the wave comes in, the sand gets picked up on the by the water. So the water gets super murky. But as you've probably seen, I tried swimming all the way towards near the deep end, and yeah, the water just suddenly, like, there's no sand. It was so clear. The sun was out. I could see for like a few meters ahead, and it was just oof. The cliff where there's like a huge drop. You know, where the corals are, it ends, and then there's like a huge drop. Like I could see that, and I'm like, oh, imagine scuba diving there. Oh, that's so good, man. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm one of those people that can't equalize their nasal cavity, so that's just unfortunate. I can't scuba dive. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy that. You know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe. Leave some comments. That really will help the channel to grow. So, look forward to that. Peace out.
Oh